This is McCloud, and although I bet you think that she is a male peacock, she's actually a female peahen. And she's not albino, she's just white, which is just a variation in the genetics. And did you know that female peahens actually do shake their tails just like males? Sometimes it's like a territorial thing, sometimes it's just like a little sassy thing. Right now, McCloud and Peepers have some kind of beef going on. Peepers is my inside peahen, and she is completely oblivious to this. But McCloud is very much angry at her, as she's trying to assert the pecking order. But I just love how the females will shake their tails just like the males. And most people would just automatically look at her and think that she is a male white albino peacock. So there is your little fun fact for the day.